Using multiple email accounts. Email is a fast, easy, and familiar way for people to share information and documents. By connecting email accounts to Business Central, administrators enable people to send documents directly from the page they're working on, without having to open an email app. This video shows how to create multiple email accounts. We'll add a second account and specify that we want everyone to use it whenever they send sales documents. We'll do that by assigning email scenarios for sales to the account. There is one requirement for these steps. An administrator for our Exchange Online account must have configured a shared mailbox to connect to Business Central. We'll go to the Email Accounts page and choose Add an Email Account to start an assisted setup guide to add our sales email account. Let's add a second Microsoft 365 account. This is the sales email account that our system administrator configured in Exchange Online. Now we'll just enter the name of the account, sales, and then the address, sales@Kronos.com, for example. We won't make this our default email account because emails sent from Business Central use our info account. Only sales-related emails are supposed to use this account. Now that we've created our second account, let's assign the sales scenarios to that account. On the Email Accounts page, we'll choose Email Scenarios. The email scenario assignment list shows all of our accounts, and our default account is marked. We'll assign the sales scenarios by choosing Assign Scenarios and then choosing the scenarios. Now our sales account will be used for sales documents, and we'll use our default account for all other email communications from Business Central. We can reassign or unassign scenarios whenever we want. Thanks for watching.